Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add gift cards and coupons in the Airbnb application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. After you are inside the app and you are in the home page, you should look down below and in the right corner you will find the profile option. Press on it. And after that you should scroll down a little bit and under the settings category you will find the third option, which is payments and payouts. Press on that and here you should select the third option, which is credits and coupons. And here you can add either a gift card or a coupon or both of them. If you press on add gift card, you can basically enter here the PIN and redeem the gift card, and you can even see frequently asked questions about the card and everything about it. So if you have any problem regarding that or any questions, you can check this out. If you press on any of them, it will give you a short answer. Now if you want to add a coupon, you just press on it and you have to enter the coupon code, and after that just have to press apply and it will be added. So yeah, this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.